Meaning of divided.
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 Divided. The term divided is a mathematical operation that refers to the process of distributing a quantity into equal parts. When dividing a number, we split it into smaller pieces or groups such that the resulting amounts are all the same size. The result of division is expressed as a quotient, which represents the number of times the divisor goes into the dividend. For example, when dividing 20 by 4, we get a quotient of 5, meaning that 20 can be evenly divided into 5 groups of 4.